Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Today is Wednesday, and I'm coming on just for a real quick video to show you what I've been doing for Battle of the Stitches. We're doing things still a little different this month. We are not doing the full tutorials and all of that like we have been in the past because we're just getting back into things. I'm just getting back into things, but Heather and I are going to be back into doing the regular Battle of the Stitches starting in June. We will be doing, for those of you new to the channel, please, I hope you will check in with Heather at Strings and Threads and my channel every Thursday. We will, or Wednesday, not Thursday, sorry, every Wednesday. What we do for Battle of the Stitches is the first Wednesday of the month, we show you what stitch we're doing for that month. We are using this book, 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Toddhunter. And we are going in order with each stitch in the book. And so the first Wednesday of the month, we will come on and show you the stitch we're making for that month. And we will give you a tutorial on how to do that stitch. Then the second Wednesday of the month, we will come on and we will show you a sneak peek of what we are making with that stitch. We will give you a little sneak peek of our progress, and then in the comments you can I got a hair that's going crazy today. In the comments you can try and guess and see what you think we're making with that stitch. Then the third Wednesday is the reveal week. We will show you what we have made with that stitch, and then we will do a video tutorial on how you can make that project too. Then the fourth Wednesday, right here on Critters Crochet, Heather will join me and we go live. And what we do is we talk about Battle of the Stitches, we show you our projects again, and then on that third week after you guys see our reveal, in our community tabs, we will have a voting poll and you can vote for your favorite project. And then leave a comment below the voting poll that lets us know that you voted. And then on that fourth Wednesday when we go live, and usually that's at 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, um, excuse me, we will go live and we will we will take the names. Heather puts all the names in a spinning wheel and she will randomly pick a winner. And then if you are chosen as the winner, you get to pick which project you would like for your prize. And whoever made that project will send that project to you. In the event that there is 5 Wednesdays in the month, we will still reveal on the third Wednesday, and then we will hold voting up for 2 weeks, and we'll do the live on the 5th Wednesday instead of the 4th. So for June, we are going to be doing this stitch, and I will show this again in our first Wednesday video. But June is going to be the fan stitch, and this is what it looks like. It is really, really pretty. So, if you are a content creator and you would like to battle it out with me and Heather to create something with this stitch, then shoot me an email. My email will be in the description box below. Send me an email or send Heather an email, and we will get back with you and we will let you know all the details of Battle of the Stitches. If you have any questions, let us know what questions you have. Let us know if you'd like to join us in June. If you can't do it in June as a content creator, but you want to join us in one of the other months this year, pick a month, email me, let me know which month you'd like to join, and I will let you know what the stitch will be for that month. So it's just a lot of fun. It's a friendly little competition, and it's so fun to see what everybody makes. Now, if you are not joining us as a content creator, or you're not a content creator and you're a subscriber, you can still participate. Here's how you do it. We also have a Facebook page called Battle of the Stitches, and you can watch our tutorials for the stitch and make something, and then take a picture of your project that you made and post it to our Facebook page. And we would love to see what you make with the stitches each month. So for the month of May, we are doing the boxed fans for this month. This is May, isn't it? I said May and then I second guessed myself. For this month, which is May, we are doing the boxed fan. and it's a really fun, neat. It looks complicated, if I could talk today, but it's really not. Once you get the stitch, it's really quick to get the stitch pattern down and memorized, and then it just goes like crazy. So I wanted to give you today just a little sneak peek of what I'm making. I ordered Yarnspirations had their My Story mystery boxes, and I ordered some of those. And one of this is one of the yarns that came in it. It's the Red Heart Color My Story Mystery, like My Mystery, however you want to say that. That came in. It's one of the colors that came in that box, and it's called Lavender White. There's lavender, there's white, and there's some pink in there too. And so this is what I have completed so far. Let me get this without pulling my stitches out. But this is what I've completed so far. And I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Let me see if I can get, yeah. I want to make sure I was holding it the right direction. Okay. It's really pretty. I've got a little like rectangle going on here so far. Every once in a while with this pattern, and I'm showing you the wrong side. Let me show you the right side. But every so often, the pink shows up. Like right here's some pink. And then over here is a pink petal. And right up here is a pink petal. So it doesn't, the pink doesn't repeat very much, but every so often you get a little pop of pink in there. Mostly purple though. And so this is what I have so far. And so in the comments below, let me get that off my arm. In the comments below, guys, I would love for you to guess what I'm making with that stitch. What is that going to be? So tell me in the comments below what you think. Um, so next Wednesday, I will come on and I'll show you some more of my progress. That should be the third Wednesday. And then, excuse me, I'm so sorry. I do not know where that yawn came from. So then the last Wednesday of the month, I will reveal my finished project. I will also be putting a picture of that project on the Facebook page. So go there too. But we would love for you to join in on this stitch. If you don't have the book and you want to know how to do this stitch, Heather has at Strings and Threads did a tutorial of the stitch, but I also have the book and I can take it. Shh, don't tell anybody. But I can take a picture and send it to you if you want to know the stitch and want to know how to do it. So I'm really excited to be getting back into Battle of the Stitches. It's going to be a lot of fun. And so, guys, we're looking for 2 content creators for next month. Heather and I would love to battle it out with you and see what you guys make. So join us next month for June for the fans. I think it's the fan lace, and it's another really fun stitch. A lot you could do with it. So I will talk to you guys later. Just wanted to hop on and share that with you. Tomorrow will be Thursday, and I will be coming on. I have had some requests for maybe starting off one video a week with a devotional, and I think that's a great idea. So Thursday will be the day that I do that. I will start off with a really quick, maybe 5-minute devotional, might even be less than 5 minutes. Uh, and then I'm still debating. Uh, I really think Thursdays are going to be my duck duck dishcloth days. Um, but it's either going to be Thursday or Friday. See, I don't know yet. I'd love to do it on Thursday, but um, Missy at Missy's Yarniverse doesn't put out the new dishcloth until that day. Sometimes it's in the later in the morning, and so I have to wait to put my video out. I can't do it ahead of time. So no, it's not going to work. I thought maybe I'd switch it, but Thursdays will be I'll do a brief devotional, and then I will probably just do a recap and let you guys know what's going to be coming up for the next week and what I've been working on. And then Friday will be my duck duck dishcloth day. I will show you the dishcloth that I finished for the week, and I'll let you know what dishcloth we're working on for the next week. So if you want to know about that, more about Duck Duck Dishcloth, go to Missy's channel at Missy's Yarniverse and More, and go to her very first. She has a Duck Duck Dishcloth playlist. Go to the very first one, and or you can even watch any of them. She briefly tells what this is all about in her videos. So go check out the Duck Duck Dishcloth. So on Thursdays, she puts out a video where she shows you the dishcloth that she finished for the week. She draws a new little duck and gives us the number for the next dishcloth that we're going to be working on for the next week. And then in a separate video, she does a Duck Duck Dishcloth on Parade, where those of us that are, there's 20 of us, including her, that are doing this, and we submit her a picture when we finish making the dishcloth, and she makes a really fun little slideshow of everybody's dishcloth. So after you watch her video on what dishcloth on Thursday, then right after that, she will have the ducks on parade, and she'll be showing up you guys all the dishcloths that we've made. So it's a lot of fun. Um, so yeah, stay tuned tomorrow, and I will have my quick devotional, and then we will look at what I've been working on this week and plans for next week. So I hope you guys have a great Wednesday, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.